Project and Process Strategic Administration. Today we will present to you our final project based on the company Lockers Comesa. First of all, we want to start by explaining our internal organization and how did we manage to get this work done. Our team named Los Estratégicos is conformed by 5 members, and as a team we combined our talents and different knowledge taking advantage of our different careers. The first one, Mariela Martinez, she's the project coordinator. Alfonso Gonzalez, the secretary. Celina Guajardo, she is the mediator. Jesus Arreola, the editor. And finally, Valeria Jimenez, she's the supervisor. The project objective is provide a better service to the client in the moment he or she realizes the purchase by diminishing the time in the steps and making faster the process. Now we're going to talk to you a little bit about Lockers Comesa. It is a manufacturing company, but we focused on the customer service, which involves the time and the steps in which the sales process is done. Now, the as-is map will be presented. The clients ask for the price of the merchandise. The sales department prepare the price and send it to the client. If the client don't accept the price, the process is over. But if it does accept it, the operation department see if they have inventory. If the operations department have the inventory, sales departments prepare the bill and send it to the client. If they don't have inventory, the operations department produce the merchandise and then the sales department send the bill to the client. When the client makes the money transaction, the sales department send the merchandise to the client and then the process is over. To get to the to-be map, we had to make some changes. First, reduce activities in operations, leaving only the activity of producing goods. Second, if the customer for some reason decides not to authorize the price, the ordering process will end immediately according to the map as is. Instead, we propose to add continuity and ask the customer data and have contact in the future if requested goods and have your billing information is ready. Number 3, number of steps, 14 number of steps to add value to the client, 12 number of steps and to not add value to the customer, 3 customer numbers, 3 number of cycles, 0 number of decisions, 2 customers and operations, 4 make and send bill turn into the documents and activities are rearranged in the proposed map to be, which is this one. Now, the suggested improvements, we just talked about some of them, and which are the database of clients, to create a database that contains customers' information to make the billing easier and faster. The bill will be sent with the merchandise and then it will be totally paid in case of the new customers. The activity rearrangement, to create a payment conditions policy, create a better communication with the authorized dealers, giving them periodically the current prices, and have ready formats for purchase orders depending on the client is new or is an old client. What did we learn? We learned as a team that working together you can get the job done in the half time than doing it by yourself. Communication is really important in a group project. Combining our different knowledge and our different points of view is what gave us a different perspective to the project. What we do right: teamwork, communication, and applying our different types of knowledge. What we could have done better: communication with the company. Hope you have enjoyed our presentation. Thank you for your attention.